If you are a physical injury victim,
one of the most important decisions you make in your life will be what to do with the award of settlement you receive. This video brings you attorney Joe Jamail of Houston, Texas, one of the nation's leading attorneys, sharing his views on why it is so important for lawyers and their clients to consider a structured settlement, the financial and planning issues you will face, and the necessity of working with a competent settlement professional. A man who is passionate about protecting injury victims and their families. Trial lawyer of the century, Joe Jamail.
Structured settlements are the ultimate safeguard of the funds that are to guarantee the medical, economic assistance, and all of the other necessities necessary to maintain life. The lawyer has an obligation to try to explain to the client, look, your case is probably going to be worth a large amount of money. Why'd you work? To get your house paid for, be out of debt, have enough money to live on. Well, here, right here's that package. You pay for the house today. Here's enough money for you and your family for the rest of your life. If you die tomorrow, it's guaranteed for 25 years. Your wife will be taken care of. My oath requires me to do what's best for my client. Merely getting a large judgment for my client and me receiving a large part of it as a fee in a check does not end my relationship with that client. I have a duty, I think, as a lawyer, under my oath, to try to help him protect himself in the future. What does it take for you to live comfortably now that you can't work? What's it going to take? House payments, car payments, whatever it is. All right, set aside enough money. Now you have children. How many? Do you want them to go to college? We can start their money coming in at age 18. Brokers can be very imaginative, can very, very creative, and create different kinds of plans. The husband, you not only take away the earning power of that family, you take away the pride he has in being able to support that family. The banker is motivated out of self-interest. Oh, let's put it in your account here at the bank. We can get you 7% interest or 6% interest or whatever. But they're not telling them you got to pay taxes on it. In-laws want money. Neighbors need money. Newfound friends are going to want money. The bankers will get it. Churches will be after him. The stock market is a real gamble. You could go to Las Vegas and bet on the dice tables. Or you can be secure. You can have guaranteed income for life. You can take care of your children. You can send them to college. Are you going to want to be worried about whether General Electric stock goes up or down tomorrow? Or do you want a guaranteed income? By structured settlements, you help the needy from the greedy, as I've told you earlier, the meek from the bully, the helpless from the hustlers and con artists. And yes, many times, you help because of the work you do and the way you do it, the dependent from being seduced by his own or her own family.
This video was sponsored by the National Structured Settlements Trade Association and produced in partnership with the Legal Broadcast Network. You can learn more about structured settlements and how to select or locate a settlement professional by contacting the National Structured Settlement Trade Association at structuredsettlement.info or calling 202-367-1159.